Hi again. So, uh, the game is finished, more or less. It took around half a day. As you can see, colors changed significantly since the initial microgame. And you could notice that for some reason some food is all over the place. So I've named the game Healthy Way. You could guess that you need to gather healthy food and try to avoid sort of unhealthy. Different food gives you different bonuses. For example, chicken would kill you. This mushroom would make you faster. Then broccoli would make you jump higher. Some pastries will make you jump much slower, just make you heavy. Some food is just a score, and avocado is definitely a health. Oh, so as you can see, as a usual platformer, you run, you gather. This is some enemy, some floating fish. Once again, you can see not jumping. Some enemies are static, such as this meat. Oh, and once again. So this is pretty much it. I can show how the game was built, but as you can see, levels should be fun. At least it was really fun to build it. So what is left is just to submit it to the challenge, and that's all.